Why do we sneeze? Ever had that sudden explosion out of nowhere? Part 1. The trigger. When dust, pollen, or even a tiny irritant gets inside your nose, special nerves send a signal to your brain. Part 2. The reflex. Your brain activates a powerful reflex. Your chest muscles contract, your lungs fill with air, and your body blasts it out through your nose and mouth at up to 160 kilometers per hour. That's 100 miles per hour. Part 3. The purpose. Sneezing is basically your body's cleaning system. It's designed to clear your airways and protect your lungs from harmful stuff. And here's a fun fact. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Your body will automatically shut them for protection. Like and comment for more fun science facts every day.